Hey guys, so I got invited by Michael Van Clarke to go and get a scalp treatment and a treatment from the mid to the ends of my hair. As you know, I'm on a healthy hair growth journey and I have heard amazing things about this salon, so I was definitely up for going. These products here are what have been used. So one was the scalp treatment and the other was this 3 more inches healthcare for hair LifeSaver. You apply it to your hair, pre-washing it. You can sleep with it or you can leave it on for a few hours and then just wash it out as usual. Please do your research on it. It is phenomenal. It has no silicone, no plastic, no metals. I then got the most incredible blow dry. Honestly, as you can see here, there's no nozzle. The heat is not directly on my hair, and the brush was a wooden brush because metal brushes intensify the heat and damage the hair a lot more. It was so gentle and I never felt like my hair was being compromised in the process. We're just taking out the pin curls now and look at this blow dry. It is phenomenal. I will tag who did the styling for me, but honestly, I asked for a 90s blowout and you cannot get more 90s than this. I'm definitely going to be using these products moving forward and will keep you updated on the journey. But honestly, guys, I was so impressed and I can't wait to go and get a good haircut by them also.